Hello and welcome to another market update. So I'm just looking at the Bitcoin chart today because I've been posting on Twitter. I haven't posted a video about Bitcoin for a while. So if we look back here, as you can see from December 2018, we got this massive green support line, which Bitcoin does come back and test at some point. So as you can see, come back to test it in March 2020, and then we went on this booming bull run then. So now we've come back down to touch it, November 22nd. Is history going to repeat itself? So at the moment we got this big strong resistance coming from November 21st, when we all thought it was going to carry on going up, but including myself, but it ended up crashing. How much did it crash? Look. So yeah, oh shit, sorry, wrong one. Measurement, it's crashed about 78%. What a killer that is. But anyway, I just want to show you a few things today. So as you can see these gaps here. As you can see, these are called CME gaps. So Bitcoin will always come back to fill these gaps. So we got one here. If we zoom in, there's a gap here. I've been calling this on Twitter. I was going to come back and fill this, and which it did. And I can see a bullish pattern here called the inverse head and shoulder pattern. So as it comes down, it's creating the left shoulder, comes down, creates the head, goes back up to the neckline, and it's creating up in the middle of creating the right shoulder. So as you can see, shoulder, head, shoulder. So this will come sideways for a while. So this could come sideways until May. Hopefully it'll break out before then. So this breaks up, it's bullish. If it breaks down, this pattern doesn't count anymore, and eventually we'll be bearish, finding new lows. But if we do break out, if we measure from head to neck, so if it breaks out from here, I would expect at least 40,000, 42,000. If you measure on the Fibonacci, usually you measure from top to bottom. Usually you retrace to these levels anywhere between the 0618, 702, 786. 702 is probably popular, so it wouldn't surprise me if it comes up between 40, 42. If we predict the one fib, 69,000, my overall target would be 680,000, and that would be the blow off top in which we were expecting back in December 2021 to 2022. But will that happen this year? I'm not sure. But if it does, it may happen in 2024 to 25 with the Bitcoin halving. So at the moment, we'll have to wait and see on that one. One more chart to show you. It's called the DXY. Oh, out of all the charts to check, always check this one. Whatever the DXY does, everything else will do the opposite. So as you can see, there's another head and shoulder here. So shoulder, head, shoulder. That's a really big head. So as you can see, we run into resistance at 105, and we've been creating this right hand shoulder. So we need another bearish week, and hopefully not Bitcoin, so the DXY will start crashing. I do expect it to come back and touch this support line, which is quite strong. You know, this has been going back since how long? 2014, even further. You could even go back to 2011. So it's really a strong support line. So eventually it will come back to retest this. So I'm guessing at least 98, 99, break that, and then the dollar will really collapse. If we break the 105, this pattern will be invalid, and then we could probably pump up to at least the 109 if we measure on Fibonacci. Get that right. So we could retrace up to any of these levels, 109 to 111. If we come back up to 114 and it comes up to here, we'll be right in the shit and the markets will crash, and I would probably think we'd be in a deep recession, probably a depression. But hopefully at the moment, I'm expecting this to come down. So let's wait and see. Patience is key at the moment. Thanks for watching.